Are you ready to give your car the VIP treatment it deserves? Welcome to the Detailing Hippie, Tampa Bay's premier mobile detailing service. Serving St. Petersburg, Pinellas County, and beyond, we bring showroom-level care right to your driveway. At the Detailing Hippie, we specialize in restoring your vehicle's beauty, from deep-cleaned interiors to shining, flawless exteriors. Whether it's a quick refresh or a full paint correction, we tailor every detail to perfection. Looking for the perfect gift this season? Gift certificates are now available for any of our services. Show someone you care with the gift of a pristine ride. And as a bonus, every gift certificate purchase comes with a free headlight restoration. That's right, give the gift of clean, and we'll brighten their view at no extra cost. Call or book online today and let the Detailing Hippie bring your car back to life. We're your trusted mobile detailers, keeping Tampa Bay rolling clean.